Can you believe your digestive system is as long as a bus? It's about 9 meters long, all present inside the body. In the digestive system, digestion, absorption, and excretion take place. During this video, we will talk about the digestion and absorption. What is absorption? Absorption takes place inside the small intestine. It is the process where nutrients are absorbed from the small intestine into bloodstream. While digestion is the breaking down of food from large insoluble molecules into small molecules which can be used by our body. Then, let's see the organs of the digestive system. Mouth, salivary gland, esophagus, liver, gallbladder, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, and large intestine. In the digestive system, enzymes and bile are very important. Digestive enzymes catalyze the molecular simplification of food from complex into nutrients. While bile it's not an enzyme, it is a liquid that facilitates the action of lipase by the emulsification of lipids. Carbohydrates, for example starch, are broken down or digested into sugars, for example glucose, while proteins are broken down or digested into amino acids, while fats or lipids are digested into fatty acids and glycerol. The nutrients are small and soluble molecules obtained in the small intestine. In the small intestine, glucose and amino acids pass into the bloodstream. While fatty acids and glycerol pass into the lymph. The small intestine is rich in ridges that increases the surface area of the small intestine, and the villi are present in the ridges of the small intestine, and the villi are the unit of absorption of nutrients. Villus is the unit of absorption of nutrients.